So we've represented the survival probability in this following expression that's saying the probability that I survive to 25 is a product of a bunch of probabilities, which says if I get to 25, what is the probability I get to 26? Multiply that by what's the probability I get to 25 given I get to 24, so on and so forth until we get to the start of time where we're asking the question, if we survive 0, what is the probability that we survive 1? And so we're making these little steps on this timeline to get up to the survival probability we care about here, which is 25. We're going to modify this expression a little more by understanding how this can break down even further. So we have the probability that t is greater than equal to 26. The probability that t is greater than equal to 26 is also the probability that t is greater than 25. We can write this down as the probability that this person has their event after 25, given that they had their event at or after 25. Now notice that this is simply 1 minus the probability that the event happened exactly at time 25 months, given it happened at or after 25 months. So let's look at what's happening here. We're looking at the probability that the event happens after 25 months, given it happens at or after 25 months. And this is going to be 1 minus the probability that it happens at 25 months, given it happens at or after 25 months. So we're going to use this to extend this expression a little further to say S of 25 is going to be 1 minus probability of having an event at 25 months, given it happens at or after 25 months. And this is going to be the first term. And the second term is going to be 1 minus the probability that it happens at 24 months, given it happens at or after 24 months. And so on and so forth until we get to our last term, which is going to be 1 minus the probability that it happens at 0, given it happens at or after 0. So we're going to see next why it is useful to represent the survival probability in the following way.